Hello, this is Selim Vural architect specializing in brownstone renovations in New York City. Recently, I was interviewed by Kaeppler Rissmann at Compass on how to renovate a brownstone and what to look for when you're buying one. Here's the video. Enjoy.
So we're here today in a very historic brownstone in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, and I'm talking with Selim Vural of Studio Vural. Selim, from an architect's perspective, what should buyers look for and think about when searching for a home to renovate?
Yes, so the first category is structural stability and water damage, which goes with that. Especially in a townhome like this one, that is very relevant. So buyers should get the home inspected from foundation all the way up to the roof for structural stability and look for water damage, especially affecting wood joists and wood structure that goes into the brick walls. Another important category is the municipal records of the building, especially in townhomes, but it also pertains to condo and multifamily buildings. The as-built form, such as a three-family, should be showing as a three-family building in the municipal records. DOB has a certificate of occupancies, and LPC, which is the landmark department, has records for the exterior fabric of the building. So make sure that the records match the building. An important category also is hidden water damage. Some areas may be just speckled and painted to look good, but you would feel the floor slabs with an extreme slant or out of the ordinary creaking. That means that there is rotting in the wood joist within. So buyers should get a mold test or feel out for these kind of hidden water damages. Additionally, construction feasibility is very important. Buyers should be aware where the risers are within a building, and if they're relocating a kitchen or a bathroom too far from a riser, the cost really goes up. They should consider that. They should also be aware of structural walls. They may think that, oh, we can open this wall, but if there's structural elements within that wall, that would also be very costly by putting a header or a steel beam. So those are the issues that need to be consulted with a competent architect who's familiar with townhomes.